Gubatarania gwa thakame kuri arwaru ni undu ukoretwo ukiyumiria na njira nene mathibitari-ini matiganite, na kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa muingi, hari o ndagika 10 arwaru 7 ni makoragwo magibatara thakame niguo kuhonokia mioyo yao.
Nidi to ya thakame bururi-ini uyu ni pints, na pints ni kanyamu karia mundu arutaga thakame milioni 1. Tugiro ko tukiproduce milioni 1. Mwaka uyu rahitukirie wa 2019 twahotire ku donate kana twari na access ya 169,000 girigana rimwe ria 69. Iyo ni percentage nini muno ya 16%. Kuonania uri na deficit ya about 80%, more than 80%.
Unyihu wa thakame ya kurigita arwaru no gwetetwo gukorwo ari kimwe kia itumi cia ikuo iria cionekaga atumia makigia ciana, na mathabu monanĩtie ati hari atumia 1,000 ana ni makuaga makiheo ciana.
Mutumia angigia complications ya tugeta ectopic pregnancy area iformaga kamwire kinyete nda ya mwana ni mableedaga muno, na mundu tocio the device ino mundu angiuka na condition teyo iyo ni imwe example ya condition.
Kuringana na ataramu, thengia wa thakame iria iheanagwo ni andu na njira ya kwiyendera, thakame iria yuraga riria mundu aroira kwa muhiano acemanitie na mutino, no iteithiririe kuongerera muigana wa unit cia thakame bururi-ini.
Mundu angigia accident aguthwo no aire thakame na thiini, na thakame uri gakorwo inyitanite na kindu kingi, nyam device ino no irogote thakame yo ningi ukorwo mundu ucio ni ekunini thakame yo agacokerio kana ikaigo blood bank ikaheo mundu ungi.
Na kambuni ya Global ni ithundurite macini ya kurogota thakame kuma kuri mundu uroira, na niguo kumenya macini ino uria iraruta wira tukage na wabici-ini cia Amref guku Nairobi.
The Hemofuse system is a device for intraoperative autotransfusion, allowing physicians and surgeons to collect blood that has pooled internally, so that blood can be salvaged, filtered, and retransfused to that same patient either immediately during or following surgery.
Macini ino yarikia kunyitithanio, arigitani makambiria kurogota thakame kuma kuri murwaru.
So once we have enough blood, we are ready to transfer our blood to the blood bag. And remember, our blood that is coming in, there's a filter that we had inserted initially. So any clot that goes through this is able to be trapped by the filter that was inserted. So daktari will transfer our blood to the blood bag. Okay.
So team on your side, are you ready?
Ready for blood.
Okay. So I'm pushing blood.
So you can see blood is going into the blood bag. And remember, the standard blood bag has a chemical called anticoagulant. As it goes into that, my anesthetist keeps on rocking the blood so that we are able to mix the anticoagulant with the blood that we are collecting.
Thakame ino yarikia kurogotwo ikiragwo muhuko-ini uyu na riu no itumike.
So from that end, we are ready to transfuse that blood to the patient either immediately.
Kuringana na Maero uria ni ndagitari thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta, aroiga thakame ya kurogota na macini ino no yendekithie muno hari murwaru kuringithanio na iria iheanagwo ni erutiri.
Remember, we have some major blood vessels passing through the liver called the portal vein and all those things, the splenic vein. These are very large vessels that when you rupture, you lose a lot of blood. This blood usually just pools in the abdominal cavity. And the abdominal cavity is very sterile, by the way. So this is something that you just use, go in, collect that blood and give back to the patient.
Unyihu wa thakame bururi-ini ukoretwo uri thina munene, undu uria ucungagiriria atumia aingi makorwo magikua makigia ciana, no macini ino iria yoikaine ta Hemofuse igukorwo ikigiririria ikuo ta ici. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma Amref mucii munene wa Nairobi, njita Gitau wa Wanjikũ.